Hello everybody, Helena here. The market is crashing today. What's happening? Well, what's happening is a lot of people are panicking right now because there's a new variant. This one seems to be a tough one. A lot of countries are already closing their borders and there's a lot of traffic trades already slowing down. All stock futures are already down and mainly those are big economic telltale signs because the world runs on oil. So that's a quick tip for you. If there's something happening with the oil future, there's something happening with the economy. But don't worry guys, everything will recover. What you need to do is just pace yourself. Maybe buy the dip, maybe wait it out to see if it dips even more, but the market always recovers. If it were me, I would be buying leveraged S&P 500 shares, but as fate would have it, I made a massive order 2 days ago, so I have no cash to spare. And of course, it goes down to the typical bad trade that happens every so often, and they're usually pretty bad. Is it the new Black Friday crash? For those of you that don't know, there was a Black Friday crash already happening. It was back in 1989, and it was apparently caused when a deal from American Airlines fell through and that triggered a massive sell-off in the market. So again, like I mentioned, just write it off, don't make any sudden movements, and then just maybe even potentially just buy the dip. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe, and remember, anything is possible if you work hard enough.